Welcome to this tutorial. We are going to explain how we should register within the platform. We have two options. The setup wizard, this is for the first time when we want to register as new user, and the second option is to log in directly into the platform when we already successful registered, and thus we can find the statistics and information offered by the cloud platform. As it is our first time, we enter through the Setup Wizard button. We can see the form, which we must fill out in its entirety. The first row is the username. We must write what is the username that we want, and then we must write a password for our account. When we confirm this same password in the next field, write our real email, where we will receive a confirmation link to validate our email. The next field is for the serial number that individually identifies our device. This number is printed in the box and people counter itself. Find the verification code number in the box or in the people counter itself. We need to write that number in the field provided for this purpose. This number confirms the authenticity of your equipment. Customer name, it must be the name of the company or the personal name, as the case may be. Location is the name of the place, site or building where the equipment has been installed. Next, you must write the physical address of the previous location. Continue to choose the time zone that corresponds to the city where the people counter has been installed. Finally, the door corresponds to the specific place name into the building, where we has been installed the device, example, main door. Proceed to confirm the form by clicking on the Send button. Next, we observe that our registration has been successful. Step is to go to our email account, then open the email and click on the link attached, in order to confirm our new registration. Now, we can already make a platform login through the button to enter the application. Here we must use the same username and password that we previously defined in the registration form. Here we have successfully platform login, where we can start to consult the statistics and information that you require.